Hello, here we are with an unboxing and hands-on with the RugGear RG900. Now the RG900 is a tablet. Unlike a lot of the other RugGear products that you may have seen on our YouTube channel or on our website, this is the biggest of the range currently, and it's a 7-inch Android tablet designed to be used outdoors where it might be exposed to elements. So it's rundown of some of the key features: Android version 4.1.2, 8 megapixel camera on the rear, 2 megapixel on the front, Wi-Fi, GPS, quad-core 1.2 gigahertz processor, NFC built in. To make it suitable for outdoors, it's IP67 rated, so it can be submerged in water up to a depth of 1 meter for 30 minutes. Mil-spec 810G rated, drop it onto concrete from a height of at least 1 meter. Operates from temperatures of -20 to +60 degrees centigrade. G sensor, 7-inch touchscreen there with a resolution of 800 by 1280 and an amplified 1-watt loudspeaker. So that's the retail packaging. Now this isn't designed to necessarily replace your iPads or your Samsung Galaxy tablets. This RugGear tablet is really designed for those primarily in sort of trade or outdoorsy sort of situations. Now if you need a tablet for that, great, but this isn't really geared for the consumer market so much. So in the box we get a sticker, we get a printed quick start manual, which is good to see, we get a warranty card, we get a screen cleaning cloth, we get a screen protector. We of course have the tablet itself, which we'll come back to in just a moment. And then in terms of additional box contents, we have the mains adapter with a USB connection there and interchangeable heads. In terms of interchangeable heads, we've got a 3-pin UK mains sort of head there. You can get other heads, you'd have to purchase those separately, with the exception of the European one, which we have here in the box as well. So UK and Europe. You get a set of basic in-ear headphones, 3.5mm jack with inline microphone, and then there is a USB to micro USB cable for charging and connecting to a computer, and that's actually all you get in the box. So let's take a look at the tablet. Okay, so here is the tablet. It's quite a big tablet. Unfortunately, we can't power it on at the moment. Straight out of the box, it's not charged, but it weighs in at 650 grams. It's got quite a lot of features on this tablet, and it's got a 7,000 milliamp hour battery built in. The extra weight isn't helped by, of course, the rugged nature of this device. So on the front here, we have the rather reflective screen in this light. It's 7 inches with a resolution of 800 by 1200, can be used in portrait and landscape modes. That resolution isn't necessarily ideal. It's not like HD quality for everyone, but you're going to find that this is perfect for most tasks that you'll need to complete on it, and of course that has an impact on the battery life. Got the RugGear logo, an earpiece, the front-facing camera, as well as notification lights. You've got 3 physical buttons here. They're not particularly obvious, they are raised. You've got a microphone, and you can of course see the bright orangey yellow sort of branding that is iconic with RugGear and other tough devices, and that's to make it sort of stand out and also make it not that attractive to wannabe thieves. You can see around the edges we've got great big clumps of rubber, which are designed to protect it should the tablet take a drop on the corner. On the bottom we've got the micro USB port and the headphone jack under a cover. It can be a bit fiddly to open, but you've got them there so that you can power the device and take your audio out if you choose. On the right side you've got a volume up and down key. You've got a blanking plate over a sort of special port there if you need to connect extra modules for this. So if you've got particular requirements, you can have modules attached to this. You'd need to speak to us or RugGear about that. You've then got a camera key and the power button, and then on the top here you've got a button for making an SOS call. So this is good for sort of lone workers or if you're in an emergency. You've got a SIM card slot and memory card slot under this flap here. Again, the flap to ensure it keeps up with its IP rating, and the SIM card slot means that you can use this without Wi-Fi. You can make calls, you can connect to the internet. And the memory card slot there takes cards up to 32 gigabytes in capacity, and that accompanies the 16 gig of internal storage. On the other side of the device, there's nothing to speak of there. It's just sort of the rubber grip. And on the back, the first thing you'll notice is, of course, this attachment here of a sort of strap for holding onto it. It's not going to be everyone's sort of cup of tea. Underneath, we've got the back plate, and we've got the NFC area of the tablet here. We've also got some gold connectors down here should you use the accessories for this device. And then we've got the rear camera and LED flash on the back there. So it's a rugged looking device, quite tough. Obviously it's going to be used outdoors. This isn't, like I say, to really necessarily replace your iPad or anything like that. Imagine your engineers that might be working on things in the field. They need access to certain apps and programs. They can do that on here. Now it's running Android version 4.1.2. Not the latest version. We'll show you that in our full review, but you've got all of the access to the Google Play Store, so you can download your apps and things like that. It's a chunky, weighty tablet, but it's one that serves a purpose for many. And with the addition of the NFC, the 3G, and this strap on there, it could be a good solution in your particular requirements, whether it be your industry, or you may have a specific need if you do a lot of work outdoors. So there we have it. That's the RugGear RG900. Thanks for watching.